have seen the behavior of the compass when it is in contact with the electric current. That shows us the concept of electromagnetism. Okay, so एक्सीडेंटली ही हुआ हो, लेकिन हांस क्रिश्चियन ऑयस्टर्ड ने एक नया फिनोमिना जनरेट कर दिया, दैट इज द इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म. ओके, एंड इट इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ फिजिक्स राइट नाउ which studies the phenomena of different electrical circuits and electrical current and magnetic field, and how come we get the various kinds of phenomena, various kinds of useful things out of the electricity. And like this, electric current has now just developed the magnetic field, so somehow it is also developing another components, another quantities of physics also. Maybe that is happening, but right now here we have proof that the electric current is producing magnetic field, though it is accidentally has done, but yeah, we should thanks to Oersted for that. Okay, so what is electromagnetism? Electromagnetism is the same thing that we have seen, that current is depending and it is producing the magnetic field. So more the current, more will be the magnetic field is here. Okay, so here for that we are having a certain things, that is magnetic effect depends upon the amount of current passing in wire. Yes, that is true. More the current, more will be the magnetic field that is going to be produced. Jitna current zyada hoga. Okay, next thing is keeping the distance. Yes, magnetic effect depends upon the distance from wire. Let's suppose this is a circuit and current is flowing in the circuit in that direction. Okay, and the compass is putting here. We have put the compass there. So it is far from the circuit right now. So it will not show any deflection because it is not in the range of magnetic field that has been produced by this wire. And now when we keep it nearby to it, okay, now it will show deflection. Why? Because it is in the range of the magnetic field that has been produced by this wire now. So distance is also depending. Though it may be possible because it is having certain distance, like range तो इतना नहीं होगा, बस यहीं तक ही हो सकता है थोड़ा आगे हो, like यहाँ तक भी range हो, like this. Okay, and so here when we put the compass at this location, so it will show a less deflection. More deflection will be shown when the distance to the wire is less, and less deflection will be shown when the distance from the wire is more. Okay, got my point? And less deflection will be shown if the value of I is less. If it is less, then less deflection will be shown. It is directly proportional. And for distance, we can say it is inversely proportional. If we increase the distance, magnetic field will be decreasing. Okay, so we can say that here it is inversely proportional to the distance. Got it, everyone? Very good. Now, see, the third thing on which we can say that electricity is producing magnetic field. So it also depends upon the different types of conductors. As you know that wires are of different variety, that is shown, that we can find in the market also. Yeah, but generally what we use, a copper wire for it. Okay, if we are taking the copper wire also, but molding it in different shapes will give you different results for the magnetic field. Let me show you with the example here what type of different conductors we are having. See the straight conductor like this. In the circuit we have just seen in the diagram right now, like this kind of circuit was there, and in the circuit if we see any of the block, like this is positive, negative, so current will flow from here to here. Now if I put the compass here, so for the compass this is the straight conductor. Okay, so current is flowing in a straight wire right now. Accordingly, it is making the magnetic field around it. Okay, like this. Okay, that we will discuss in the later slides right now. But what we are seeing here, we can just see the straight conductor that is like this only. Okay, let me show you with the diagram like this. So straight conductor it is. Now circular loop. If we mold this straight wire into a circular loop like this. Okay, so now the magnetic field, though the current is same, here is current and here is current, both the currents are same, but they are showing different properties right now because the shape of the wire is going to be changed. So magnetic field accordingly will going to be changed. Okay, जो magnetic field यहाँ है, it will going to be changed according to this shape. And one more, that is solenoid. Okay, so, and this is the diagram for solenoid. When a circular loop, this is a single circle and this is multiple circles. So when we are rolling it on a multiple way, so it is going to be, though we are keeping the current in this condition also same, that is fine. But in this case also the number of coils are increasing, that will increase the magnetic field. Okay, so here as we can judge, straight will give you a less amount of magnetic field accordingly, because the distance is also matters here. Now this will give you more than the straight conductor. The magnetic field produced by this circular loop is more than compared to straight conductor, and solenoid obviously will give you a lot of magnetic field. And how it is going to be, we are going to see it in the next slides.